What is the fastest way to get rid of cellulite? Well, unfortunately there is no magic cream, procedure, or pill that can cure your cellulite in a matter of a few days or even a few weeks. But like anything else that holds value, you must put in some hard work to get the results you desire. While a multi-million-dollar market has been created since Vogue coined the term cellulite in the 1970s, cellulite is nothing more than fat. However, this fat differs in appearance because it pushes through connective tissue, creating the cottage cheese or orange peel effect. So what is the fastest way to get rid of cellulite if none of those advertised products really work? The fastest and only way is by following a simple formula that has 3 components: a healthy diet, cardiovascular activity, and moderate strength training. Let's take a look at these components individually. While there is not a diet that will apply to everyone, a simple rule applies: if you burn more calories than you take in, you will lose weight. It really is not much more complicated than that. We are often tricked into believing otherwise from the media and by the newest diet fad. There are also some foods to avoid if you are looking to get rid of cellulite quickly. You should stay away from alcohol, caffeine, and any food that has been processed or has unnatural additives. Whole foods and organic foods are not only great for your health but also will help your battle against cellulite. Cardiovascular activity burns calories and also increases circulation, which is a contributing factor to cellulite. Since cardiovascular activity burns the most fat compared to the other components of this formula, it is the single fastest way to get rid of cellulite. The cardiovascular activity you choose depends on how good of shape you are in and also your interest. You should be interested in the activity you choose to perform, otherwise you will dig up any excuse in the book to convince yourself not to do it. Some ideas are brisk walking, running, basketball, yoga, swimming, or aerobics. You should also be doing some sort of strength training that targets your problem area or areas. This will tighten your connective tissue and make it much harder for cellulite to push through it. Squats and lunges are great exercises that work the thighs, hamstrings, hips, and buttocks. Prone and bridge exercises as well as sit-ups will target your tummy.